Hello everyone, and thanks for tuning in. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog, and today I'm unboxing, testing out, and reviewing the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally. Please be sure to check out my in-depth written review on Best Buy blog. You'll find it linked in the video description below. And just a friendly reminder, you can purchase the ROG Xbox Ally today via bestbuy.ca. The ASUS ROG Xbox Ally marks an exciting new chapter for handheld PC gaming. This collaboration between ASUS's Republic of Gamers, or ROG for short, and Microsoft's Xbox division brings console-like simplicity with PC flexibility, all in one device. It combines great design, robust performance, and seamless Xbox integration, creating one of the most accessible entry points into handheld PC gaming yet. Before hopping into the full software and gaming experience that the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally offers, let's take a quick look at what the unboxing and setup process looks like, and also what you get in the box with the package. As part of the pre-release program with the hardware, the review unit I received was exactly to retail spec in terms of what came in the box, but the software required a few more updates before getting fully up and running. ASUS did confirm that retail units will have a much smoother setup process once the device is available at retail. But what I can say is that when all the updates were applied, I was greeted with a polished, fast, and seamless experience that really showed off what ASUS and Xbox have been building together. It's an exciting step forward for handheld gaming. Thanks to ASUS's partnership with Microsoft, the ROG Xbox Ally interface has been reimagined for handheld play. Even the Windows Setup Wizard now supports full joystick and button navigation. Security features like pin setup can be completed without a keyboard. All these little touches add up to something really special and something that's been well thought out in terms of bringing the console experience mixed with a hybrid PC into the palm of your hands. Even the power button doubles as a fingerprint sensor, providing instant secure login, much like what I'm used to on my Xbox Series X console. What's especially exciting about the Xbox full screen experience is that it instantly transforms the Ally into a handheld Xbox console. You can browse your games, access achievements, and launch Xbox Cloud Gaming directly from this app. Behind the scenes, the UI minimizes background processes, so more system resources go straight to your games. It's a smart optimization that keeps performance and distractions low. I rarely had to exit the Xbox mode to tweak Windows settings. Everything just works. Pressing the Xbox button opens a new game bar overlay, giving you fast access to your game library, your friends, and the ROG Command Center. From the Command Center, you can adjust the brightness of your screen, the volume, or even switch between performance modes, between things like silent, performance, or turbo presets, which either max out your performance or lower the performance so that you can get more out of your battery for those longer gaming sessions. Within Armory Crate SE, you can fine-tune fan speeds, lighting effects, joystick calibration, and more. It's the perfect blend of customization and simplicity. In terms of the design and build quality, the ROG Xbox Ally strikes a great balance between comfort and style. Weighing just 670 grams, it's lighter than many handheld PCs, but still feels solid and substantial. The hand grips are shaped like an Xbox controller for a natural, ergonomic feel, with tactile A, B, X, Y buttons, Hall effect triggers, rear paddles, and that signature Xbox button. Little details like the micro-printed ROG texture and the Fearless Eye logo on the back of the device, it doubles as a rear intake and adds both a really cool flair and plenty of function. In terms of what's under the hood with the ROG Xbox Ally, it's powered by the AMD Ryzen Z2A processor, 16 gigabytes of LPDDR5 memory, and a 512GB SSD. With all this combined, the ROG Xbox Ally delivers strong, efficient performance with fan noise that's kept at a minimum. The upgraded 60 watts per hour battery offers longer play sessions, and with dual smart amp speakers with Dolby Atmos, the audio is really crisp and quite immersive. Rounding this all out, you also get Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.2, dual USB-C ports, and a micro SD card slot. Everything you need for smooth gaming on the go and expandability for the future if you need it. Here are my final thoughts on the ASUS ROG Xbox Ally. The Xbox Ally delivers seamless integration, allowing you to jump effortlessly between downloaded and cloud stream games. Beyond Xbox Game Pass, you can also install other platforms like Steam, Epic, Battle.net, and more, making it one of the most flexible handhelds available today. Its hardware captures the accessibility of an Xbox console while offering the versatility of a gaming PC, truly combining the best of both worlds. The Ally is efficient, ergonomic, and perfect for gamers who want powerful, portable entertainment without the hassle. It's a device and an experience I can wholeheartedly recommend. That concludes my review of the ROG Xbox Ally. Thank you so much for watching. I'm Matthew Rondina with Best Buy Canada's Best Buy blog. And a friendly reminder, the ROG Xbox Ally is available now, and you can order yours today via bestbuy.ca.